In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Outlook error 1001. This error can be quite the nuisance, but don't worry. I'm here to help guide you through a series of steps that should help resolve this issue. Let's dive straight into it. First, we're going to start with a classic solution, restarting both Outlook and your device. While it may seem a bit too simple, a lot of times errors like 1001 are just temporary glitches. To do this, make sure that Outlook is completely closed, and then go ahead and restart your computer. Once your system is back up and running, open Outlook again and see if the error persists. Next, it's crucial to ensure that your internet connection is stable, as Outlook requires a consistent connection to sync emails properly. Double check that your internet is fully operational. If you suspect it may be an issue, try switching between different networks, such as from Wi-Fi to a mobile hotspot, to see if that makes a difference. If those steps don't resolve the problem, the next thing to consider is your account configuration. Sometimes this can get corrupted. Here's what you need to do. Open Outlook, go to the File menu, and select Account Settings, then Account Settings again. In the list that appears, find your email account, select it, and click Remove. After this, restart Outlook, and then proceed to add your account again. This fresh setup often helps in rectifying such errors. Sometimes a damaged Outlook profile can be the root cause of the problem. To address this, open your control panel and navigate to Mail, then click on Show Profiles. Here you will want to add a new profile and set it as default. Once that's done, open Outlook using this newly created profile and check if the error has been resolved. If the problem still exists, you may need to repair your Outlook or Office installation. Return to the control panel, choose Programs, then Programs and Features. Locate Microsoft Office in the list, click Change, and then follow the steps for quick repair. If the problem persists even after the quick repair, consider using online repair for a more comprehensive fix. Another crucial step involves checking the state of your data files, specifically the PST or OST files, as corrupt files can trigger error 1001. Use the built-in inbox repair tool known as scanpst.exe. Locate your Outlook data file, whether it's a .pst or .ost, and run the scan and repair process to fix any issues that might be present. Keeping your software up to date can also prevent errors. To update Outlook, open the program, go to File, then Office Account, click on Update Options, and finally, select Update Now to ensure you're running the latest version. Lastly, let's consider the role of your antivirus or firewall settings. Sometimes these security programs can inadvertently block Outlook. A temporary disablement of your antivirus or firewall can help you check if this is the source of the problem. If Outlook works without a hitch once they're off, remember to add Outlook as an exception in your security settings. And there you have it. Following these steps should help you resolve the irritating Outlook error 1001. I hope this guide has been helpful for you, and thank you for tuning in. Good luck.